What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. I am so happy to be filming. Yes, let's get into it. If you clicked on the thumbnail, if you saw the title, you know we're going to talk about what you want being greater than what you fear. Everything that you want and deserve is on the other side of fear. So whether it's that relationship, that stream of income, it's anything, it's on the other side of what you've been avoiding, what you've been holding back from. I know this from personal experience, and so it's time that we all just stop being complacent. So let's get into it. Every time I see you, you make my heart say, I've been called to film this video because I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. I think we're at 915 today, and it's interesting because I didn't think that it would happen this quickly, and the only reason that I postponed starting a YouTube 3-4 years ago is because of that fear mentality. I was fear-based, and I was like thinking about what other people thought of me, and it just like has proven that what I want, the growth, the community that we're building together, was on the other side of that 3-year stage of me not doing anything about it, right? So I'm just sitting here literally in gratitude of like, okay, what you want is achievable. If it's in your realm of possibility, it's already yours. You know what I mean? What I notice is that love opens you up to the universe. Love opens you up to possibilities and new jobs and new people, right? Whereas fear, it isolates you into yourself. It like brings you into like this mentality of like, I can't do anything, can't, won't, all of those negative everything. It's gotta go, because it's only holding you back from your God-given dream. And I'm gonna be honest, I've come to terms with the fact that I have the ability to unlock the matrix, and I've noticed this more as you guys have commented under my videos. You guys are literally not only reflections of me, but commenting love and light under my videos and having these conversations with each other. It's incredible because that is who I am as a person. That's who I try to be for other people, and you guys are that for me. And so as I'm starting to realize this, I'm like, wow, I was fearful of a lot of things. And also just like in this pandemic alone, a lot of people have been complacent because our lives just turned upside down. And you know what, like if anything, it just proved how quickly things can change and how important it is that you are able to adapt. And you can't adapt in a fear-based mentality. Pardon me, but there is allergies out, honey, and my throat, I'm like, what the heck? Miss Austin did not come to play for anyone, okay? So yeah, I read something on Instagram that said, if you can imagine a future event in your life based on one of your personal desires, that reality already exists as a possibility in the quantum field, waiting to be observed by you. This is exactly what I preach in all of my manifestation videos. If you have an idea in your head, it's already in your realm of possibility. Don't let fear come in between that. If you've already seen it, it can be yours. You just have to go towards it. Does that make sense? So I am constantly reiterating how important it is to not only believe in yourself, but get out of that fear-based mindset. Get out of it, let it go. She's gone, we don't need her, okay? She's done, bye. So I ask, what are you afraid of? What is the one thing that's holding you back from achieving your dreams? Because whatever's on the other side of that is all of your blessings. So do me a favor, grab your tea, honey, grab your journal, save this video, go ahead and jot down that one thing, maybe 2 things that you have had a fear about, that you wanted to do but you just can't find the strength to do it. Pray to God, go after it, go after it. I'm telling you right now to go after it, and then come back and comment under this video and let us know what it was, okay? So for me, 2 things that I have overcome in the past 2 or 3 months. One was childhood traumas of just allowing love to come into my life and accepting that love is meant for me. And I have received love so much. I'm filled with it. If you can't tell, I'm just like, oh. And then my second one was going after a position that I didn't think was really available to me. So I don't know, it was easy for me to get comfortable and complacent because I'm like, you know what, I am doing okay right now. I just started a YouTube channel. It gives me time to focus on content, but there was a position that was aligned for me perfectly, guys, like fell into my lap. And when those things happen, those synchronicities that I tell you guys about, you have to believe them, go after them. If it's a vision that God has for you, it's meant for you, right? So I went after this position and got the position maybe a week after I applied, and I'm starting next week. So with that being said, the fear of not having time, the fear of being uncomfortable, all of those things you have to wipe away, because I'm telling you, there is so much out here for us, so much abundance. And for me to be able to succeed allows me to give to you guys, and vice versa, you know what I mean? If our population just continues to go after what is meant for them, we can continue to give back. And that is my biggest goal. That's what I want to achieve. That's my end game, is to get to a place where I can not only give back to you guys, but give back to everyone in terms of love, and really give off what I believe is a God's dream, you know, and let everyone live their version of a God's dream. So I hope this makes sense, y'all. I hope it does. Okay, it was a quick video. I really felt called to do it. I just popped up on here, hit the record button, and yeah. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Also, we're almost to 1,000. You guys, thank you so much. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna edit this video, get it out to you guys, because why not, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, and share this video with somebody, okay? Because there's somebody out here living fear. We can all, and I think we can all just benefit from someone to tell them to get up and do it, right? So go ahead and share this with someone, and I love you guys so much. You guys already know, we're just getting started.